Dissolution of partnership firm, lecture 2. Here we are going to do the difference between dissolution of partnership firm, or we can also call it dissolution of firm and dissolution of partnership. These terms may sound alike, but there is a whole lot of difference between the two. Beginning straight away with their meaning. Dissolution of firm means the closure of firm, wherein all assets will be sold and liabilities will be paid. Dissolution of partnership means only bringing change in the partnership. Their old agreement, terms given in the old agreement come to an end and a new one is formed. So the old agreement comes to an end and a new one is formed. All the cases, all the chapters that you did earlier, where you were talking about change in profit sharing ratio, admission, retirement, death, all they were covered in dissolution of partnership. But this particular chapter is about dissolution of partnership firm, where business will be closed. So next is court's intervention. In dissolution of partnership, it can be either voluntary or by intervention of court. Dissolution of partnership has to be voluntary only, when it is only when all partners agree amongst themselves. Next and very important point is business continuity. As we've talked about earlier, in dissolution of firm, business is not continued. It has to be closed. Again, I am saying assets sold, liabilities paid off. But in dissolution of partnership, business continues, although under different agreement amongst the partners, but still the same business continues. Next is closure of books of accounts. In dissolution of firm, all books are closed. Since we are closing the business, the books have to be closed. Here, books are not closed. Next is about assets and liabilities of the business. In this, I told earlier, we've done that earlier, assets have to be sold so that liabilities can be paid off. You are closing the business, all assets sold, liabilities paid off. In this, same assets and liabilities continue. Very important point, economic relationship amongst partners. This came in board exam once. You had to differentiate between the two on the basis of economic relationship between the partners. Here I would like to mention one thing, students. Please remember, you have to do all the points. It is not that you can do one or two differences. Generally, board specifies, like it will say, differentiate between dissolution of firm and dissolution of partnership on the basis of economic relationship or on the basis of assets and liabilities. So you need to know all of them. Talking about economic relationship here, since the business is closed, so economic relationship comes to an end, whereas in dissolution of partnership, it only undergoes a change. It does not end. Suppose there we are talking about change in profit sharing ratio. Here there only profit sharing ratio changed. Suppose we talk about admission, A, B, C were partners and they take D also as a new partner, so their economic relationship will change, but it does not end. Last is the effect. Dissolution of firm means the business is shut down, everything is closed. Dissolution of partnership means that only there will be certain changes. A new partner may be added, or their profit sharing ratio may be changed, or there may be a death or retirement of a partner, but overall the business continues. Thank you very much.